Hi guys, my second technology video website that I chose to use is a free online class journal called Seesaw. I use this for my class each year. I create a new class and I send the link out to parents and invite them to join it. Very handy to use. It has apps for your smartphone that they download. I'm able to post pictures, videos. The kids can do different activities on there. There's drawing boards. Very user-friendly. The goal and purpose of it is just for me to be able to share and communicate with my parents and have them stay up to date on things at school. I can send out reminders through it also. It's the easiest way I found to share photos throughout the school year with my parents as well. They enjoy getting to see the photos, and then they can save them straight to their phone and print them if they would like. It is linked with the standards 3C and 3D. As you go on, each kid has their own journal off to the side here that I can open up, and inside their journal it keeps track of everything that they have. The kids can use the laptops to post things also. You can see all the end of the year photos that I put and videos. I can share activities with them. This was new this year and I didn't get a chance to try it out, but I'm going to try it next year with my kids. You can schedule things like that to do with it. I can add students whenever I want. The students can also, when they get on themselves, they can go to a student version and they can draw, they can record themselves explaining math problems or reading. They can ask questions and send it, and the beauty of it is everything that they post on it, I get a notification and approve before it goes out to parents. Parents can get on and comment and like things and save things as well. I can send things to every student, and I can send things to individual ones where only that individual parent can see it. Nobody else can see it without the class link for this specific child, so it's very safe as well. Another great resource I really enjoyed using this year.